Ever wondered what all those camera settings do? Let's dive in. First, explore your camera's Pro mode for full control over ISO, shutter speed, and more. HDR mode captures stunning details in both shadows and highlights. Portrait mode gives you that dreamy bokeh effect, perfect for portraits. Night mode is your go-to for capturing low-light scenes with clarity. Shooting in RAW? It lets you edit like a pro without losing quality. Mastering manual settings is key. Adjust ISO, shutter speed, and focus for the perfect shot. Good lighting is everything. Shoot near windows or during golden hour for the best results. Composition is an art. Use the rule of thirds, leading lines, and framing to enhance your photos. Keep it steady with a tripod or stable surface to avoid camera shake. Edit your photos with apps like Lightroom or Snapseed for that professional touch. Try third-party apps for even more control over your shots. And remember, practice makes perfect. Keep shooting and learning.